Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into one of the most important debates in workflow automation, n8n versus Dialogflow. Both tools aim to simplify complex tasks, but they do so in very different ways. Let's break it down. n8n is an open source workflow automation platform. It's like a self-hosted Zapier, but with far more flexibility for developers who want complete control. With n8n, we can integrate hundreds of apps, build advanced automation workflows, and even host it on our own server for data privacy. The pros are clear. It's customizable, cost-effective, and developer-friendly. The cons, however, are that it requires technical setup, self-hosting knowledge, and sometimes lacks the polish of enterprise-ready tools. Dialogflow, on the other hand, is Google's conversational AI platform, mainly designed for building chatbots and voice assistants. While n8n focuses on automating workflows, Dialogflow shines in understanding human language, processing queries, and enabling AI-driven conversations. The pros here are Google's AI-powered scalability and seamless integration with platforms like Google Cloud and Google Assistant. The cons? It's less flexible for workflow automation beyond chatbots, and pricing can escalate for enterprise-level use. The bottom line? These tools aren't direct competitors but rather complementary. Choose n8n for automation and Dialogflow for conversations. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.